Cool. You know what else is kind of cool? That's pretty cool. If you've been to Tucson, you know what that mountain is. Or the whole range. Anyway, what do we got tonight? 68 Impala wagon, of course. Arizona car. It's been parked since the early 70s, I believe. It will not come on these snowflake wheels, sorry. It'll come on the stock 14-inch steel wheels with roller tires. If you do want the snowflakes in the tires, they're in really nice shape. For probably an extra $700 or $800, you can have them. But it's got a little bit of damage here. It's got some damage there. Lack of rust, that's for sure. Well, when I say rust, you know what I mean, rot. And, this car sat since 1976 or 77. I could not get the tailgate down. That's a Lamb Chevrolet out of Phoenix area. You can Google it. Pretty cool. I didn't know. I mean, it's obviously got patina. It's got surface rust, but very solid car. This side's got one dent there. We're gonna look inside. Okay, floors are nice and solid. There are the keys. Dash. I know the mileage could be original. I wouldn't doubt it, seriously. But it's gonna need interior work. They all do, right? This has, oh, I got pictures of this seat up. It just looks like the front seat. Some parts that come with it. Wheel covers, chrome trim for the hood, air cleaner. Those might go to something else. And this is a 2-row. So it's technically a 6-passenger. So just shove the kids in the back somewhere. But let's pop the hood and see under the hood. It is a factory 327 car, 4-barrel. I got another video up on our YouTube page. I think of it running. It ran for just a couple seconds last week. Put this down for a second. Ouch. So, let's check out that chrome. Some idiot in a motorcycle driving by. Sorry, folks. Here's the motor. And power steering, power brakes, factory AC. Oh, I'm saying that when I got it started, poured gas down the carburetor. Probably did it 5 or 6 times. It finally started and just like and ran for a couple seconds. So I took that as a good sign. May or may not like it. You may just swap it anyway. Looks like it's probably the original engine though. All the AC stuff is still there. I started disconnecting the fuel line because I was going to run an electric fuel pump to it, which I still might try to get it running a little bit more. I think the brakes may be working now. I think we bled them. I'll have to double check. But, cool car. Let's see, cow tag looks to be there. There's a cow tag. Sorry about the glare. Something on the lens. Here, let me wipe it off. There. So, where are we going? Oh, let's go back around the car a little bit. And what else? Really straight. I mean, for 1968, it's a really straight body. Again, it comes on the original steel wheels. This windshield, I believe, is okay. Yeah, actually the windshield's good. Rest of the glass is good. I got pictures of underneath this thing. I got pictures in the back. Isn't his last tagged? Oh, there you go. 77, looks like, I think. Can't read that one. We'll just say 77-ish. Not sure if it really matters. But anyway, that's our 68 Impala 327 4-barrel car. Some cool options from the factory. Arizona's been pretty good to it as far as rot and rust. And let's see. Here's a little bit underneath it. Let that camera adjust if it will. Yeah, it's hard to see. It's getting dark. But if you want these Trans Am wheels, they're WS6 wheels, let me know. If I still have them, I can sell them to you on the car. Oh, you know what? Close this hood again. Hang on. Let's go. Oh, there you go. All right. So, I hope you like our Impala. We just sold a 67, and the customer loves it. It's out in California now. On this car, the lights do work. I think they all work. And as they say, it is what it is, right? Some badass patina, though. You couldn't try to duplicate that if you tried. It'd be almost impossible. Mother Nature took her about 40 years to do this. Let's see what's going on. Another beautiful sunset in Tucson. Hope you like our Impala. Got some cool stuff coming up in the very near future. Follow us on Facebook. Am I on Facebook? No, we're not on Facebook. So follow us on YouTube. That's where we are. And, I'll show you this stuff. Those floors are really nice. And back seat's just as nice. Back floorboards. So that's kind of nice. Again, we saw the mileage, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But again, I hope you enjoy the car. Hope you enjoy the video. Sorry for all the background noise and annoying people, but enjoy the vehicle. Not sure if I'm going to get another one of these for a while, man. These are getting harder to find all the time. Thanks again for looking, okay?